Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you some easy steps on how you can log into your Outlook account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.outlook.com and hit enter. After the home page of Outlook opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in your email, phone or Skype number here and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you'll be guided to another form where you'll have to fill in your password and click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be automatically signed in to your Outlook account. I hope this video helped you to sign into your Outlook account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.